Hi friends, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make the authentic Ghanaian Koose or Akara. So please guys, get your seat and let's start cooking. Alright, so to get started, I have here water and I'm going to soak the beans in there for about 2 days. Yes, that's what you have to do, or you can even soak it for 1 day depending on how well you can peel off the skin. So after 2 days, this is actually how it looks like. I am so happy because it was so easy. It's worth it, So in order to get the skin removed, that's how I do. I use aka a tar, to mash it and then it will get all the skin removed. So after you do that, just go ahead and add some water, during the process, and you have to gradually work yourself through it. After you get everything well and nice clean, you can tell everything is removed. Go ahead and add your spices. I'm adding here pepper, carrots, red bell peppers, onion, and garlic. Now, depending on what you really want to use, okay? So next, you're gonna blend it into a very nice and smooth consistency. So what I usually did is that I blended them halfway, so you can tell some of them look like red, another one looks like, kind of whitish. It's because I blend them separate, that's why. So I added my salt, I give it a very nice stir, make sure everything is well combined. And then we're gonna set it aside for now. So you're going to be adding some eggs, okay? So make sure that you have your eggs on the side. So I'm breaking about 2 eggs and I'm going to add here onion leaves or green onion leaves. Next, I'm adding here green peppers. Okay, this is an option, you know what I mean, but it gives a cozy, a really nice color, and that's what I'm adding in here. And actually guys, this recipe was given to me by a friend of mine, because I remember back home in Ghana we used to enjoy this with house of cocoa a lot. Okay, so when I found this recipe from a friend of mine, I was so excited that I really want to share with you guys so you can actually make it at home. So how to add the eggs, this is how I do it according to my friend. This is like the hardest part of the recipe, but if you take your time, you can do it well and everything will come out beautifully. So you have to keep repeating yourself. When it's about like almost halfway cook, you just get your spoon, and then make a little hole in the middle, and then you add your eggs in there. Like I'm saying, it's gonna take a lot of practice, you know what I mean? But never give up, keep doing it and you will make it. At first, it was hard because it's actually my first time trying this recipe, and I feel like I nailed it. You know what I mean? I know that I'm so happy that actually it came out so well. So just keep repeating until everything is done. It smells so nice, friends. So with this recipe, you can actually eat with your house of cocoa or hot cereals, or you can actually eat with your favorite tea. Okay, yeah. So I really love this. This is like the best akala recipe that you could ever have. Yeah, it's just amazing, and I'm gonna encourage everyone to try it at home. Guys, it's summertime. This is like a perfect snacks for the family. Everyone can make this because it is so easy. All right, friends, so it is almost done, and I just want to take this time and thank my friend so much for this amazing recipe. I told her I'm gonna try and I will let her know. So here we are. Everything looks so nice. It is done. Look at that perfection right there, friends. I love it. I can't wait to eat all of it. It looks so delicious. I know you really want to try this for your family or your friends. Yeah, please do it, okay? And this is the final results, friend. Everything came out perfectly done, and you can tell that this is really delicious. All right, friends, I hope you truly enjoy this recipe. Please don't forget to like this video and share. If you have any question at all, let me know, okay? And thank you so much for my new followers and subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. So I see you again. Have a blessed day.